are several things, there are several, how to say, opinions in literature, in journals, in media, that there is influence of Bošković on Tesla. Two aspects are more mentioned. One, there is one photo, picture of Tesla, made at 1890, I don't know at the moment exactly, but this is last years of 19th centuries. There is a Tesla sitting in a chair and with some book in his hand, and there is some electrical coil behind him and some lightning there and so. And it was explained that Tesla is sitting and reading Theory of Natural Philosophy of Ruđer Bošković. The second, and there are two of these pictures, quite different pictures, taken by different photographers in different times. Also, there is one unpublished interview of Bošković with some, how to say, man who is working in newspaper, I don't know. Yes, I mean, but not published.
Yeah.
And in this unpublished interview, it was stated that in this published interview, Tesla told that theory of relativity originated from Bošković, but not exactly exclusively by Einstein. So, I analyzed both sources, how to say, these photos and this newspaper information. Concerning newspaper information, nothing was published. There is no reference to show, yeah, okay. Because some men speak with Tesla and there is no records, written records. So maybe these records exist, but nobody can refer to it. Concerning photos, those conclusion that Tesla had Bošković theory, books of Bošković theory in his hand, originated from the Museum of Nikola Tesla. A woman who made this conclusion was, surname was Šešić. I have forgotten her name, and she was the daughter of those Professor Bogdan Šešić I just mentioned before, who informed me about Bošković theory. So, but those women made one study about all photos of Nikola Tesla. And in this study, she wrote what is the study, where it is done, who made these photos. And for all those photos, there may be 50 or 60 photos analyzed. And one of them is the photos with Tesla and the book. And she wrote that Tesla had Bošković book in his hand, but there is no reference. For other photos, there are reference. Here is only reference that in what time those photos, these photos was made, I told just before, at the end of the 19th century. When I was in a museum, I found that there is Bošković theory in this museum. This is edition, English edition, or it is a bilingual English-Latin edition, published in 1922. So this book, that book was published some 20 or 25 years after those photos. So it is not possible for Tesla to have this book in his hand. In any case, I wanted to see if there is some comments of Tesla because Tesla was alive until 1943. Maybe he had this book, and this book is from Tesla personal library. For Tesla personal library. So he had this book many years later, but maybe he made some comments, maybe he underlined something in this book. So it was permitted to me to look page by page. So I went to the whole books, but there was no comment, no underline, and it even looks to me that those book was not open at all. Because but I'm not sure. But there was no sign. So concerning this aspect, Tesla was not involved in theory. Furthermore, there are in our language, English language, published, I think, by Serbian Academy of Science or some other publisher, not important, articles of Tesla, articles, and also published lectures. He had many lectures in different societies in the United States and in other places. And I have read all of these lectures and articles. I am not so familiar with Tesla research. I am not an electrical engineer, but I am very well informed about the Bošković theory. And then I tried reading those Tesla's articles and lectures, printed lectures. I have tried to find traces of Bošković comprehensions. I have tried to find those traces, to find some, to recognize Bošković in the sentences of Tesla. But believe me, it was not possible to find nothing. So I am not sure that there is some influence of Bošković on Tesla. Or I did not find.